In this video we are talking about zoom and its option. In AutoCAD you can zoom an object to infinity. It's mean whenever you are zooming any object, it's not losing its pixel. AutoCAD regenerates the pixel and give you the ability to zoom your object to infinity. Okay, there are many ways to zoom, but the most preferred way people use to zoom is the mouse wheel. See, we are zooming this drawing. We lost our object. Why? What is wrong here? Because we have zoomed the object, but we don't know the command how to use it. Okay, scroll the mouse back. While scrolling with mouse, you have to place your mouse wherever you want to zoom. The point you want to zoom, you have to place your cursor there. Let's see. We are placing our cursor in the corner because we have an object here which is not visible because its dimension is very less. That's why we are zooming it. Let's see what is that object. Keep zooming, keep zooming. Here we got the object. Look at the command bar. Here we got something regenerating model. What does this mean? In earlier version of AutoCAD, you were required to enter regenerate command, regenerate command manually to regenerate the AutoCAD sheet, because when you zoom it to an extent, AutoCAD completes or AutoCAD finishes its pixel there. When you regenerate, your model is regenerating from that point and you can zoom to a much more extent. Here we see we can extend, we can zoom. We got another regenerate model. Keeping zooming, see we got two more regenerate commands applied on this drawing. Okay, go back, zoom out. The same we are having regenerate model. In earlier version of Windows, you were required to enter the regenerate command for regeneration, but in AutoCAD 2020 you don't need that command, so AutoCAD automatically apply that command to your drawing. Now coming to the AutoCAD command we are using for zoom. Type in command Z, enter. The zoom command is activated. Come here to the command line. In command line we see zoom, all, center, dynamic, extends, previous, scale, windows, object. So press enter, that the real time command gets activated. How it works? For example, we place our cursor here, click, go up, it will zoom in. Click, go down, it will zoom out. If you click and move right and left, nothing will change. This command is not friendly. It's not user friendly because I'm here. See, I lost that specific place. Again, it will only zoom the center point and focus on the center point. Okay, once more, Z, enter. Zoom is activated. Here we see at the command line A, all, center, D, extend, and these all we have one letter in green. If we enter any of these blue, that option will be activated. At the default, when you are not entering or not pressing enter or not entering any of these blue characters, zoom window here you see is activated. For example, we are taking it as a window. Oh, it's zooming. Okay, again Z, enter. Now pressing previous, P, enter. So we got the previous view. You can keep exercising to learn more and be professional in using zoom. Okay, one more option. Go to view, navigation bar. Here it is. Here is the zoom command. You can use this zoom command as the drop down, and you can select from these commands. It's the easy way to access the zoom command. That was all from zoom. Join us in the next video to continue navigating inside your drawing.